And here we are in the next video, picking up from where we were. And here we're just going to show how we can drill in a little bit and use filters. I'm just going to clean this up a little bit. We're going to remove our people nodes and our positions. Nice little cleanup here. And one of the things we can do is we can actually jump in here and disconnect the way things are connected. So, I remove this connection. And then I can add back in the positions. And we can take a look. See what our visionary is doing here. I'll take it through a couple different roles. We'll do a orthogonal. This is kind of cool. Orthogonal. You see everything that our visionary is doing here, and we can bring our people nodes back in. Connect them up. We see that mark as our visionary into our roles. We can see these. I can take it back to an easy to understand hierarchical view. See, here's Kelly, the integrator, with her roles. We can link it all back together. And then view it again. And we're back to where we started. Classic accountability chart.